I've never really had a waist. I always carried a lot of weight around my middle and had a stomach. I wanted to get rid of that. I was a 10-12 and now I'm a 4-6. Oh, I feel so much better. I feel so much more attractive, feel younger, happier, ready to go. Absolutely, I feel healthier and I look healthier. You know, I just feel like life is out there and I'm ready to go for it. I feel so much better in my clothes and how I look, and I'm just, you know, I'm not so hesitant about wearing more up-to-date, stylish clothes. I'm just, you know, very happy with it. I was very concerned because I had visited several doctors. I wanted to make sure I was making the right decision. And many of the doctors did not want to do both liposuction and a tummy tuck. And I knew I would not be happy unless I had both. One just wasn't going to take care of the problems that I had. And Dr. Amati assured me that he could take care of it, and I was totally thrilled with the results. My post-operative care was very, very good. Dr. Amati had instructions on what to do, and I followed those instructions and had really no problems. Oh, I would say don't do it unless you're going to have Dr. Amati do it. He knows what he's doing, and I just feel like he's the best. He's very, very professional. He's very meticulous. He is very kind, and I just think Dr. Amati is a wonderful doctor. My husband thinks that I look pretty darn good. Well, a lot of my friends have asked me, "Oh, you've lost weight. How did you do it? How did you do it?" And sometimes I tell them I had intervention, and sometimes I just say I just worked at it. I'm leaving tomorrow for Cancun with 3 new swimsuits.